Thermal cycling is a silent destroyer lurking everywhere. Have you ever wondered why buildings seem to age faster than expected? Why cracks appear in walls and surfaces deteriorate rapidly? The culprit might be hiding in plain sight, silently wreaking havoc on our structures. In this episode, I reveal how thermal cycling is a relentless force of nature that causes more damage than you might realize. Thermal cycling is the process of repeated heating and cooling between two temperature extremes. It's a natural phenomenon that occurs daily as the sun rises and sets, and seasonally as we transition from scorching summers to freezing winters. While this cycle may seem harmless, it's actually a significant contributor to the rapid degradation, breakdown, and failure of buildings and surfaces. Imagine a material expanding as it heats up during the day, only to contract again as temperatures drop at night. This constant push and pull creates thermal stresses within the material, leading to microscopic cracks and weaknesses. Over time, these small imperfections grow, compromising the integrity of the entire structure. The effects of thermal cycling are particularly pronounced in regions with extreme temperature fluctuations. In desert climates, for instance, daytime temperatures can soar well above 100 Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, only to plummet below freezing at night. This dramatic swing puts immense stress on building materials, accelerating wear and tear. But it's not just extreme climates that suffer. Even in more moderate regions, the cumulative effect of daily and seasonal temperature changes can take a toll. Concrete, metal, wood, roofing, and plastics are all susceptible to thermal cycling damage. Bridges, roads, buildings, roofs, and even electronic components can fall victim to this silent destroyer. The consequences of thermal cycling are far-reaching. Cracked foundations can lead to structural instability, while damaged facades and roofs not only look unsightly but also allow moisture to penetrate, leading to further deterioration. In industrial settings, thermal cycling can cause equipment failures, resulting in costly downtime and repairs. So what can be done to combat this invisible enemy? The answer lies in innovative, eco-friendly solutions that not only protect our structures but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Enter green coatings and casement, a revolutionary approach to defending surfaces against thermal cycling and other environmental stressors. These advanced coatings encase over a surface and are designed to flex and move with the material as it expands and contracts, providing a protective barrier that greatly reduces the effects of thermal stress. But what makes these coatings truly remarkable is their eco-friendly composition. Unlike traditional protective coatings that often contain harmful chemicals and volatile organic compounds, the right green coatings are formulated with the environment in mind. They are renewable and emit fewer pollutants during application and often have a lower carbon footprint overall. They are non-toxic, biodegradable, and easily restorable at the end of their service life cycle. The benefits of using the right green coatings and casement extend far beyond just protecting buildings. By increasing the lifespan of structures and reducing the need for frequent repairs and replacements, these coatings help conserve resources and reduce waste that generates tremendous amount of CO2 emissions while being stored in landfills. This, in turn, contributes to the fight against climate change by lowering the demand for energy-intensive construction materials and processes. Moreover, the right green coatings offer additional environmental benefits. Some are designed to reflect sunlight, reducing the urban heat island effect and lowering cooling costs. The connection between thermal cycling, the right green coatings, and climate change is clear. By addressing the root cause of material degradation, we can create more resilient and sustainable infrastructure. This not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces our overall environmental impact. As we face the challenges of a changing climate, it's crucial that we adopt solutions that work in harmony with nature rather than against it. The right green coatings represent a step in the right direction, offering a way to protect our built environment while also safeguarding the natural world. To sum it up, thermal cycling may be an invisible force, but its effects are all too real. By understanding this phenomenon and embracing the new opportunity with eco-friendly protective measures like the right green coatings, we can build a more resilient and sustainable future. It's time to recognize the silent destroyer in our midst and take action to defend our structures, our resources, and our planet. You may like this quote from Amit Ray, Indian author and spiritual master. Collaboration has no hierarchy. The sun collaborates with soil to bring flowers on the earth. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening and see you on my next episode.